Worrying news this evening for consumers, as a crippling shortage of goat among farmers and butchers may mean you have to pay more for the meat this Christmas. More in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
Christmas is coming and many people are looking to get their favorite foods to eat. But some Jamaicans may have to skip the curried goat or manish water this year due to what we've been told is a shortage of the meat. Some stakeholders feel the scarcity may be because of predial larceny.
It seems like children must steal the ram goat so much. They can't get the ram goat so easy to buy. When they do get it to buy, the price of the person might give them back. They can use it to sell it, they can't sell it back. And if you sell it to make a profit, they will sell it for like $1,500, $1,600. You can use it, so people are cut back from buying. They want it, but when they tell them the price, they leave it.
Levon Green is a butcher based in St. Anne. He's one of those feeling the pinch from the shortage of goats. He explained that on the odd occasion when he does get the animals to buy, the prices are exorbitant.
Especially this Christmas, I'm realizing that because even today I'm slaughtering and I don't have a goat to slaughter today.
Most of those costs are then passed on to the consumers.
In this area, St. Anne area, it ranges from about $1,000 to $1,500 a pound. And the farmers are asking high prices for their goats.
Customers may therefore have to turn to other sources of protein.
I have pigs that I can slaughter, and I have a lot of farmers that supply me with pigs. And cows, I can get a couple cows.
And some customers say they are prepared to go without their curd goat meals.
I don't have to eat much. There is pork, there is chicken, there is beef, and there is fish.
One butcher in the meantime wants others to follow the legal channels when sourcing goats.
I make sure I write my receipt. I have my RADA receipt so I can write it up for them. So I deal with, because nowadays I'm realizing that, especially in the goat business, there's a lot of theft. A lot of theft in the goat business. And I try my best, my utmost best to purchase animals from recognizable farmers.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.